equatorial Pacific grows irregularly warm. It is an oscillation of the ocean atmosphere. Oscillation means like a movement that goes back and forth. Here in the normal El Nino conditions, you can see how the water all circulates to the left, and usually in the El Nino conditions, the water all circulates to the right. El Nino causes dramatic rainfall across the southern tier of the U.S., which causes destructive flooding, and in California it causes droughts. On the sea life productivity, El Nino causes diversity in the ecosystems and marine life. The water also turns 8 Celsius higher during an El Nino. Here you can see that up in the north it was way drier during an El Nino, and down towards the south it was way wetter. This shows a graph of the rainfall in Rockhampton during an El Nino. And this graph shows the rainfall during an El Nino in LAX. So, because in Australia, it's a lot drier there. So usually when an El Nino comes, a lot of brush fires also occur, and there are really many droughts, so there isn't that much water. But in LAX, it's usually really wet, and it rains a lot. So yeah. Recent El Nino years happened from 2002 to 2003 and 2006 to 2007. There was also an El Nino in 2009. The El Nino is most severe in southeast of Asia and the western part of the Pacific Ocean, where it causes really much rain. During an El Nino, there is less nutrients in the water, which kills most of the fish, and that means less fish meals can be produced. So all fish food would be a lot more expensive. There are usually no hurricanes during an El Nino because of the storm's latent heat is focused over a larger area, which helps not to create hurricanes. The next El Nino will probably happen around in 2015 because an El Nino usually occurs around 3 to 7 years, and the last El Nino was in 2009. If an El Nino developed off the coast of Africa, the tides would reverse and there would be floods in Africa and Europe, and the US and South America would be flooded. Have a nice rest of the day.